Hey, welcome back to Always Learning. What are we doing today, Pat?
We're learning.
We're learning how to grade the yard. We did the big pool project, changed the whole slope of the ground, and then they kind of rough graded it. So now we put the sprinklers in. We trenched it last week and kind of filled them in, tried to sell them a little bit. And now we are going to do some cowboy engineering or farmer engineering. And we've got Pat. And as you can see, he's on the Hustler 36-inch, and my brother-in-law, Craig Miller, came up with this idea. We've got it hitched. He went to Menards, bought a gate, like a chain link gate, did some mods on it, tied some rope to it. We've got a bundle wired to it, and we're going to drag it around and see how it does as far as just leveling the yard so we can grade it to put sod in around the sprinklers. You can't tell here, but I actually sprayed Roundup on all the grass. I'm killing all the grass, so we're just dragging the dirt to make sure it's level. We're going to put sod on top of all this where you see the grass out, so we're just trying to get the whole thing pretty much level. We decided it needed a little more weight, so we just got some flagstone we had lying around and threw that on there. So we went over it multiple times, probably for 30 minutes. There's still some clumps in it. It still needs to break down a little more, put a little more water on it. We're going to drive on it again. We also brought in some dirt in the low-lying areas here, filled it back in. We'll drag that back out. And then you can see here's the final grade. We actually used a rake to kind of go over it. This is the north side, then this is where we were at before. So it's all smooth now, nice and easy to lay down the sod, and this is what it looks like after the sod is all laid down, and you can see it turned out pretty good. This is after a couple mowings. I've mowed with the big mower, so it's kind of dug into the dirt a little bit, but this is probably 3 weeks out with the pool project done and the landscaping in. So that's how we did it. Thanks for watching.